Okay, so same thing on number 70, just solve and graph. So I'm just going to go ahead and isolate this absolute value. So we're going to subtract 1 over here, so that's going to give us the absolute value of 2a plus 5 is greater than or equal to 8. And so then because we know that the absolute value is greater than or equal to, that's going to give us an OR statement or a union. So we know that we need to break it up into the two separate. So that's going to give us 2a plus 5 is less than or equal to 8. And our other equation is going to be 2a plus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 8. So we'll just go ahead and solve. Sorry, on this one we don't need the absolute value. It's just going to be regular. Okay, so then subtract 5 from both sides. It's going to give us 2a is greater than or equal to 3 halves. Or sorry, 3. Getting ahead of myself. And then we divide by 2, so that's where we're going to get our 3 halves. So a is greater than or equal to 3 halves. It's going to be our first. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. Subtract 5, this gives us 2a is greater than or equal to negative 13. Divided by 2, gives us a is greater than or equal to negative 13 halves. So when I put these on a number line, I like to just convert them into the whole numbers, just so I can see it better. So this first value is going to be 1 1/2, and then this one is going to be negative 6 1/2. So draw out our number line. So we'll have our negative 13 halves over here, and then 0, and then our 3 halves over here. And then it's going to be brackets on both sides, pointing to the outside number line. So we'll shade in that whole area and that whole area. So then when we write this, it's going to be parenthesis negative infinity to negative 13 halves, bracket, union, bracket, 3 halves to positive infinity, parentheses.